Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today, just a short one. This is a tutorial how to clean your wheels just like this. I know they don't show much on camera, but off camera earlier, watch my last video, I was showing this rim. That's what it's like that before, now it's like this. Alright guys, you can just use, okay, I use this disinfectant thing. I don't know where I got it from, but if I can find it, I'll have it links in the description below, guys. So first you want to spray it all down, you know. I already wait for dirty stuff, you know. Now you want to get that all scrubbing and soaking in. You want to get your brush thing and start scrubbing away. Because yeah, it's really a nasty rim. You need to get more wet. You could just, you know, get more spray stuff on it. Okay, I'm gonna get more spray stuff. This is just scrub down one. Okay, just want to spray again. Okay, just let that sit for a little while. Alright guys, I let it sit for a couple good minutes. Now, you want to get your towel or anything just to wipe it all clean. You can start seeing it shine up again. Don't worry guys, if this don't work for you, the next thing will. I had two methods. Like, I could see a little bit dirt still. But you can start to see a little bit of shine. But not much. Before and after. Alright. Second thing, I gotta use this industrial degreaser. Wanna spray that everywhere, you know, mates? Spray it everywhere, lads. Don't wanna miss any nook and cranny. Try not to break the brakes, because yeah, second brush you want to use any brush. You can use the same one, but I'm just gonna use this another one, a little bit lighter. Let's do really get all of that stuff, all the dirt and crap. You can see a little bit of shine, you know. A little bit more. Okay. Okay, just grab the other brush because that might work better, you know, guys. This won't get the rust away, but it will just get all the ickiness, like the dirt and crap. You can see actually at the bottom all of that dirt coming right there. You want to get everywhere you can. Because, yeah, a nice shiny wheel, a nice happy. I don't know. Depends what you get happy from. Clean your car, clean your bicycle, whatever. Okay, I like to let that spray it again and let that sit for a little bit. Okay guys, you know, you can tell it's sitting for a little bit. Now we get another. You can get a different one if you want, but I'm just going to use the same one because nothing's perfect. You could already tell that this is clean. Let's look at it. Whoop. Once again guys, if I can find these on Amazon or something, I'll have links to them in the description. This ain't sponsored anything, you know, no one would sponsor me, but you know, these wheels are really shiny. I just wanna show you that, guys. I'll get some paper towels and get the stupid fur off of it while you don't have animals. I'm playing with yous, but just look at it now. You can see me, but not my face. You can see how shiny that is. You also might want to get some water and spray it down, but nah. I'm just gonna get some paper towels and wipe it off. Alright, I got some paper towels, you know, guys. Really shiny looking. This is just to get that material off and stuff, you know, guys. It's getting dirty, which is good. That means it's working. This ain't just work for shiny rims like this. It works for any. As you can see how you can let my last video, or no, if I upload this or the other video before, but the one video I filmed before this, I show the Mustang over there. Those shiny rims, they aren't shiny like these, but they cleaned out really good. Links to that video in the description if I upload that first, but I don't know. You want to get everywhere with this, whatever you use. I recommend paper towels so you can just throw it away. You don't have that stuff, just use anything, guys. It really just don't matter. Got it a little bit wet with some snow, but you can see a little bit more snow. I don't know. Probably don't use snow. But there we go, guys. Look at this shiny wheel. Oh wow. Earlier you could see me, but now you can see me even better. Let me get a little bit farther away. Yeah, this thing's just so clean. Alright guys, if you actually like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share with your friends that own a car or anything to get it all shiny. You know what? Little extra part of the video, let's shine up the chrome on the Grand Cherokee. It deserves a bit cleaned up. Well, I'm doing this. Guys, if you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, subscribe, and share with your friends. It really means a lot when you do that. and I see subscriber change or more subscribers, new people, man, that makes me happy. That's like amazing. The best thing anyone could do. But there we go. Grand Cherokee all cleaned up. Yeah, guys, if you found this video helpful, once again, if I can find these two things, I'll have them links in the description from for whatever website find them on. And guys, I'll be catching you in the next video. Bye.